Welcome back to ForexEAandMore. In this video we're taking a detailed look at AuraX Gold MT5, a SuperTrend-based indicator specifically tuned for XAUUSD on the M15 timeframe. It combines a dynamic trend filter, ATR-based profit targets, optional CCI confirmation, and a higher timeframe bias filter to deliver clean, high-probability signals with clear risk management. Look at the chart. The thick blue and red lines you see are the SuperTrend, the core of this indicator. It uses ATR with a multiplier, default 3.0, to plot a dynamic support line in bull mode and resistance in bear mode. When price closes above the upper band, the trend flips bullish and the line turns blue and acts as support. When it flips bearish, the line turns red and acts as resistance. This is not a simple moving average, it's a volatility-adjusted trend filter that adapts to gold's fast moves. A buy signal appears only when three conditions align. The SuperTrend flips from bearish to bullish. The optional CCI filter confirms momentum. You can choose cross, a flip, or either, and the higher timeframe filter, default H1, allows long trades. The same logic applies in reverse for sell signals. This multi-layer confirmation is why you see relatively clean signals instead of noise during ranging periods. Every signal comes with four clearly plotted levels, all calculated using ATR from the signal candle's close, entry, slightly offset from the close, default 0.3 times ATR, stop loss, 1.0 times ATR on the opposite side. TP1 to 1.5 times ATR, first profit target, TP2 to 3.0 times ATR, second, extended target. This ATR-based approach automatically adjusts to current volatility, perfect for gold, which can have quiet sessions and explosive moves on the same day. On the top left you see the live dashboard. It always shows the most recent signal, the current price, and both TP levels. When price reaches a target, a gold checkmark appears next to TP1 or TP2. The indicator scans forward from the signal bar and marks these hits automatically, both on the chart with gold, TP1 hit, TP2 hit, labels and in the dashboard. This makes it extremely easy to review performance or trade manually without constantly watching every candle. As the video plays, you'll see multiple real examples. Early on we have a buy signal. Price respects the blue SuperTrend line, moves up, and cleanly hits both TP1 and TP2. Later the trend flips. AuraX prints sell signals with entries, stops above structure, and dual downside targets. Several of these work very well during the correction. When the uptrend resumes, fresh buy signals appear on SuperTrend flips. You'll also notice a couple of stops being hit. That's normal and expected. The indicator doesn't repaint, so what you see is exactly what would have printed live. What makes AuraX Gold effective? SuperTrend flip gives clear trend direction changes. ATR levels automatically adapt to volatility. Dual TP system lets you scale out, secure profits at TP1, let runners go to TP2. Optional CCI plus HTF filter reduces low-quality signals. Clean visuals, only the most recent signals are drawn so the chart stays readable. Pro tip, for best results, align M15 signals with the higher timeframe bias shown by the SuperTrend on H1 or H4. In strong trends you can even trail stops along the blue line. If you want this level of structure and clarity in your gold trading, AuraX Gold MT5 is available on the MQL5 marketplace. Link is in the description. Join our Telegram at t.me/ForexEAandMore for updates, live signals, and strategy discussions. If this video helped you understand how the indicator works, give it a like, subscribe for more MT5 tools, and turn on notifications. Remember, trading XAUUSD involves significant risk of loss. The results shown are from historical data and are for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always use proper risk management and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions about the settings or logic in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. Trade smart and I'll see